Welcome to Easy and Quick Python Programming for Kids Foundation course.
Session 7 For Loop. For loop acts as an iterator in Python. It goes through items that are in sequence and iterates its value. For loop structure. For keyword is used to define for loop. After that we can use iterate variable. We can give any name as per our convenience for iterate variable. In range, where we will be defining a range or sequence from where for loop will start and from where for loop will end. Colon indicates end of for loop. Statements under for loop will be indented. Program using for loop. Here we wanted to print numbers from 0 to 10. So we are using for. We are taking iterator variable as I in range from 0 to 10. That's where defining in brackets as a range, and closing the for statement using colon as an end marking. Once for loop start executing, it will iterate the numbers from 0 to 10 and print numbers one by one, like 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1 means up to 10 minus 1, 9 will get printed. Now you can run same program in your Python IDE and check the output. In this program, we will use for loop to iterate numbers from 5 to 15. We will say for I in range starting from 5 to 15 plus 1, we need to keep 16. For loop completes. Then we will say print I. We will execute C. From 5 to 15 gets printed using for loop. We can provide steps while iterating the for loop from start to end. Here we are providing 10 as a starting number. 100 plus 1 means 101 for end number, so number will get printed from 10 to 100. Here we want step as 10, so next number will print after 10, means 10 plus 10, 20, then 30, 40 will get printed. Inside for block you can see print I comma end is equal to space. So why we are using it? As we saw in earlier program, when we are iterating for loop, all numbers get printed in next line. If we want to print all numbers in a single row, we can separate it by space character. Here you can see output as 10 to 100 with step as 10, and each number is separated by space character. Make your setup ready to print numbers from 2 to 20 with step as 2. Modify our earlier program to print number from 2 to 20 with step as 2. So starting number 2, end number 20, so we need to use end plus 1, so 21, and we wanted step as 2, so comma 2. We'll print it. You can say numbers from 2 to 20 is getting printed. These numbers are printed with by default new line characters. Now we want to print it separated by bar character. So we'll say end is equal to bar. So you can say numbers are getting printed separated by bar character from 2 to 20. In this topic we covered for loop. I'm sure you are enjoying the learning with Python and having fun.